Hi, hello, namaste. I am Pawan. Wacom has come up with a new product, Cintiq 16 Pro. Let's unbox it. So now we have unboxed. So let's see what all we have in the box. The first thing is obviously a Cintiq 16 Pro. I'll just open it in a couple of minutes. And we have a power cord, a pen holder, Type-C to Type-C a card, and we have 8K pen and a 16 amp power cable, HDMI to HDMI cable, and also USB Type-A to Type-C cable. Let's open the beast. Wow, what a display. Let's talk about some hardware features. We have two supportive legs with 20-degree angles, 3 ports with one is HDMI and Type-C and a power port. And we have 8 express keys, touch on and off toggle, and surprisingly you're getting 13 plus 1 with 14 nibs along with this. Now we have connected with our MacBook Air with our device, only with one single cable, that is USB Type-C, and a power cord of course. And you should look at the display. The display is magnificent. It comes with 4K Ultra HD resolution, and it has multi-touch features and with anti-glare glass, and it will not strain your eyes anymore. It comes with 60-degree tilt feature and as well as zero parallax. We will try this device with multiple other softwares. Let's see how it functions. Cintiq 16 Pro, one of the most awaited product by designers community all over the world, especially in India. There are several reasons to upgrade to this Cintiq 16 Pro. Number one is its beautiful 4K display. It comes with 98% Adobe RGB and the colors are magnificent. It comes with Type-C cable and as well as HDMI for a versatile connectivity, and as well as it comes with multi-touch gestures so that you can zoom in, zoom out all the functionalities with your fingertips. It comes with built-in express keys, also called as shortcut keys. This product is highly recommended for 3D artists, illustrators, photographers, and VFX artists. Name anywhere, it works at its best. I think that's all about the new Cintiq 16 Pro. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video.